You ready? Go ahead.
I'm rolling, fool.
Okay, so I'm technically doing what I didn't think I was going to be able to because of the way of the setup. So you can see all the dust that's on these.
Mm-hmm.
Notice what's missing, the clock. So I'm going to see if it works.
Yes. The town lights.
Yep. So,
bulb.
and you know what? Just because, so we know that's clean now. Let's double check.
Oh, yes.
Let's go to a good working battery.
You're a good working battery.
Well, I'm a little bit more than that. You're at 30? Yeah. Oh. Red balls.
The clock hasn't moved yet.
It may need some
love, but... Hey, the town lights light works.
And they're cleaned.
All right, get back to cleaning.
I mean, dude, we're talking, I'm just blowing the dust off. That's it, and I'm putting them back in. So what I want to do with the clock...
Didn't that happen the other night, too?
No, I had more than the dust blown off, but that's not the point. Right?
Oh, we already started that.
Oh, yeah.
Earlier.
Yeah. So what I want to do is I'm going to double check, make sure I've got a good enough connection. Because I don't know if I do.
Why do you have it on the red?
Because this thing has fucking reds on both sides.
Yeah, this
which
car's
we're going to be replacing.
Yeah. All right, so we know that works. That's
it's on your to-do list, Mr. Burnsy.
Okay.
How about them leaf springs?
I'm getting there.
Did
you take video yesterday how clean those brackets came out?
I have a clip, yes.
It's not about you. It's about me right now.
Oh, sorry. I just asked a question.
Wait till later. Wait till the next one. It's going to be even funnier.
I didn't do it.
Oh, no, I got a good one.
You got a good one?
Yeah,
you sure you got a good one?
It's like I'm not getting power or I'm not getting ground. I don't know which.
Or it just doesn't fucking work.
Well, even still, if it was a seized movement...
You have a drip under your nose. It's like...
Not anymore. There we go. Good.
Gross as hell.
Even with mechanical movements, manual movements, automatic movements, yes, I know a lot about all of them. And I think everybody here knows that because of my watch fetish. Fetish.
I like how you said
Isn't it an addiction? I think it's more of an addiction.
I'd call it a kink.
It's a fetish for you.
It's a fetish, considering I've got a new Rolex coming tomorrow.
You bastard.
Dude, he shows me so many watches. I'm not a watch fan, but I'm almost at the point where I'm going to give him money to find me a good fucking
I'm just going to start.
I just picked up the aqua green Tiffany Rolex.
Oh, girl.
Date adjust.
Oh, girl.
Oh, I can't love it. It's beautiful. And I showed Burnsy this morning. I picked up a 1939 for repair, so I'll finish it off probably in a couple of days.
Is that the watch you sent me last night?
No, that one...
You like pick one?
No, those were the Elan and Zona and the Cartier.
Fancy.
So I picked up a 1939 one jewel Lucerne chronograph.
All right.
I even like it.
Yeah, I mean, it's beautiful.
He's like, what year is that? And I'm like, it looks like 40s. He goes, damn, you're close.
Yeah, 39.
So Mr. Clock and Watch over here.
Okay, so... And it looks like I can pop this out enough to take a peek.
Carefully.
So I wanna take a peek.
Yeah, because a working clock would be awesome. Because who doesn't like a working clock?
I'm going to go ahead and open the door.
I think it's a good idea.
No, I think you should leave that door closed.
The manager has spoken.
What the fuck? So Scotty's trying to get this done.
Dude, you look like you're getting ready to go to a funeral right now.
Oh, no.
With that shirt.
Just wait. This is going to be funny.
Right. This is going to get better. Right?
I have...
Scotty just gave me
Scotty already figured out what my scheme is, and it's gonna be hilarious. So, are we done playing with this muskrat till you can take it apart? Because this video is going on long and boring.
Just like Bob.
Was that my phone?
Oh, that was me.
Oh, okay. Well, on that note,
Sounds like Carson.
you guys see what we're doing. I just want to double check, see if we can get some movement out of the watt or the clock.
And we didn't.
And well, I re-cleaned the connections. We'll see. We'll see what happens. If it works, great. If not, I'll see if I can get it working. If not, I'll do my best. But
yes.
That's super.
So I'm ecstatic.
Now you're gonna try all the lights.
Yep.
Get
Double
that
check
all
all the
clean,
lights.
put it
Make
together.
sure things are good. I got to route a new harness for this one to go to the headlights, so that we have This turning on only when the lights are on. So, but on that note, we'll give you guys an update video shortly. Thanks, guys.
Deuces.